I think it's too early, to be honest. I think that we haven't seen that yet. I think we've also got to bear in mind, am I right, that the statistics the other day was that the average pension pot was £32,000, is that right? So £32,000 isn't going to help many people with the affordability question buy a property. Our belief is that it will make some difference. We believe some wealthier pensioners will come into the buy-to-let market, but they would also need to take good advice because it is a long-term and illiquid investment. So I don't think it's for everybody. It is a long-term decision.
I think that's, that point about the average size of the pension pot is fundamental to this. I don't see a wall of money hitting the buy-to-let market. And frankly, you know, for an individual to put their pension into one individual property is probably not sound advice anyway. If you're able to finance several, if you had a portfolio, or if there was somewhere you could invest in property and share that risk, that might be a better approach. But you know, if I had £30,000 and that was my nest egg, I don't think I'd bank it all on one property and let it out to students or whatever.
Yeah. Tom, is buy-to-let something you're still recommending your wealthy clients?
Some are still very much going for it, particularly those with larger portfolios. I think one of the key points in moving out, say, from pension, taking the money out and putting it in a buy-to-let, is you're going from a tax-free environment, and the pension is growing tax-free, into an environment, once you get a buy-to-let, you're exposed to a whole raft of taxes, which is good news for the Chancellor. You've got SDLT on purchase, you've got income tax if you make a rental profit, and if you sell at a profit, you've got capital gains tax. So the Chancellor would like you to take your money out and buy a buy-to-let, please.
Do you anticipate anything, Andy? Do you think it's going to have an impact?
It's interesting that a number of estate agents have reported increased inquiries, but that tends to be more around clarification of the pension rules and what they're entitled to and what they're not. When they find out actually the size of the pot that they've got and what impact it could have, we are seeing signs of those inquiries turning around to other forms of deposits for buy-to-lets. So in other words, how can I use my residential as a means of leveraging a deposit, if that's something I'm seriously looking to get into.